this video, I'm going to show you how to do the Citric cleaning for your countertop unit. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure your water is off on your unit, so no water is running through. And then you want to disconnect your power. And then you're going to get these filters, these Citric cleaning filters. One has media in it, and the other one is empty. Okay? So you're going to remove both your filters. You can place them in the sink, in the refrigerator will probably be best, since it's going to be a couple hours process. And then you want to grab your filters. So as you can see, the empty one goes onto the right side. And the acidic goes on the left. Okay. And then you should get one of these black plugs that you're going to connect to your acidic hose on the end right here. You want to make sure it's in all the way. And then you want to grab your flex hose. You want to bend it up so it passes your base unit. Okay, after that, you want to turn your water back on. And then slowly turn your unit back on. And as soon as you see water coming out of the top spout, you're going to want to turn off the water supply from your unit. And remember, there's no power on the unit. There we go. Turn it right off. And then you're going to let your unit sit for roughly about 3 to 5 hours. So you're going to want it running for about 3 to 5 hours. It's been about 3 to 5 hours here. So you're going to bend the flex hose back over the sink. And on your gray hose, you're going to remove the black cap. Then you're going to turn your ionizer back on and just let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. And so it's been about 5-10 minutes here. What you're going to do is you're going to turn off your water. You want to give it just a little bit to make sure all the water's kind of out of the filters. And then you're going to want to replace your filters back with your old ones or new ones that you purchased. You just want to be careful because water will come out of the ionizer. It'd be a good idea to have a towel handy. And just use it to soak up as much of the water as you can. You're going to want to put your filters back in. Okay, after cleaning out the water out of the filter housing, you're going to want to put back your filters. Remember, the pre-filter goes on your right side and the main filter goes on the left. After you get your filters back on, again, you're going to want to turn the water on and let it run for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 2 to 3 minutes. You're going to want to turn off your water. You want to go back and connect your ionizer. Give it a couple seconds for it to get power. And then from there, your ionizer should be good to go.